Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to add website link to your Facebook page. So let's get into the video. So the first thing to do that, you simply need to log into your Facebook page. So once you're there, you simply scroll down and you click on what? Edit public details. So after which you simply need to scroll down. You are going to see on the link section, you are going to simply need to click on what? Edit. So after which you simply click on what? Add website. So after which you simply need to insert your website address here. Okay, let's say www.mokubetech.com. So after which you simply click on what? Done. You click on what? Save up here. So guys, as you can see, we just successfully linked our website or your website to your Facebook page. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.